Good. So interpolate means you're estimating values that lie between, underline this word, between plotted points. So if you're given a graph, we can make an estimation, we can make a guess about any of the points in between the points that are given. I can choose a point in between those and read the graph, right? So let me ask you a question. I plotted this point right here. If this person, Mark, works, I'm going to estimate this would be around 8 hours, right? That's 8. Can you estimate approximately how much would he earn? Approximately how much money would he earn if he worked 8 hours? Look at your graphs and tell me approximately 60, maybe 62. It's a little bit above. Okay, so you just interpolated that information. All that means is that you're taking the graph and you're trying to figure out other possible points on the graph. That point wasn't indicated, but you can find it because it's in between the points given. Does that make sense? Extrapolate, what do you think that means? Estimating values that lie beyond the points. So where does this line stop? What's the last point on this graph? What's the last point on the graph? 20 hours, good. 20 hours is approximately how much does he earn for 20 hours? $160 approximately. So if I asked you to extrapolate, you're going beyond the graph. So what I want everyone to do right now is take a ruler. So you're taking a ruler and you're extending the line. And you need to draw a straight line. You need a ruler, otherwise your estimates are going to be wrong. Now, we are going to extrapolate. We're going to go beyond the line given, beyond the points given. Now, what we need to do first is we need to extend the scale because you need to be able to read the points. So let's look at the scale here. What are they counting by for the x-axis? Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20. This would be 25, 30, 35. And the y-axis is counting by, try again, from 0 to 40, 80, 120, good, we're counting by 40s. So what's 160 plus, it's hard for me to see on here, but make sure you put it in the right spot. What's 160 plus 40?
200.
Okay, and then 200 plus 40, 240. So now, I'm going to pick a random point on the graph. I'm going to choose 30 hours, right here. 30 hours. How much money would Mark earn? Okay, this is where it's important to use your ruler. Figure out where the two axes, okay, I chose 30 hours. And we're going to use a ruler, go across to see his earnings. How much? 30 hours is approximately, is it 240 on your graph? Because maybe I didn't draw this properly. Okay. $240. Okay, so now I want you to answer questions A, B, C right now with the partner. So let's answer question A. How many hours must he work to earn 140?
17 hours.
Okay, I'm going to go to
18 hours.
earnings. Shh. Is 140. Shh. Take your ruler, draw a line across until you hit the line. And then we're going to take our ruler and go down to see who said 18 hours.
I think it's 17.5.
Okay, we're going to say between 17 and 18 hours. Like I said, we're doing an estimate. We're estimating. Did you interpolate for the answer or did you extrapolate? Was it between the points given or was it beyond the points given? So you interpolated. So you got the answer. How much would Mark earn if he worked 30 hours? We already did the hard work here. Do we have to interpolate or extrapolate?
Extrapolate.
Good. We have to go beyond what was given, and he would earn approximately 240. Okay, and the last question, please don't call out. How many hours did Mark work if he earned $200? Do I start on my X or Y axis? Y. Good. I'm looking for 200. Draw a line with a ruler. Figure out where the point is, and Use a ruler. How many hours did he work? 25 hours approximately. Good.